Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the juicy world of watermelon and exploring the incredible effects of eating this refreshing fruit daily. Watermelon isn't just a summertime treat. It's packed with essential nutrients that can boost your health in various ways. Rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants like lycopene. This juicy fruit watermelon can help improve heart health, hydrate your body, and even support skin health. Imagine biting into a slice of this sweet, hydrating fruit on a hot day. It's not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. In this video, we'll uncover the numerous benefits of incorporating watermelon into your daily diet and share some fun tips on how to enjoy it. So grab a slice and let's get started on this refreshing journey. Did you know that watermelon is made up of about 92% water? This high water content makes it one of the most hydrating fruits you can eat. When you bite into a juicy slice, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, you're also replenishing your body's fluids. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, as it helps maintain energy levels, supports digestion, and keeps your skin glowing. In hot weather or after a workout, hydration becomes even more important, as your body loses fluids through sweat. Incorporating watermelon into your diet can be a delicious way to boost your hydration and keep you feeling refreshed. So, whether you're lounging by the pool or recovering from a workout, always remember that watermelon is your go-to fruit for staying hydrated and energized. Watermelon is not just a refreshing snack. It's also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to your overall health. This vibrant fruit is an excellent source of vitamin A, which supports eye health, and vitamin C, known for boosting the immune system and promoting healthy skin. Additionally, watermelon contains vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in brain health and metabolism. One of the standout features of watermelon is its high antioxidant content, particularly lycopene, which has been linked to reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Plus, with only about 30 calories per 100 grams in it, watermelon is a guilt-free treat that satisfies your sweet tooth without compromising your diet. So indulge in this nutrient-rich fruit and enjoy its enormous health benefits. While keeping your calorie intake in check, watermelon can be a fantastic ally in your weight management journey. With its low-calorie content, only about 30 calories per 100 grams, and high water volume, this fruit can help promote a feeling of fullness or satiety without adding excess calories to your diet. By incorporating watermelon into your meals or as a snack, you can satisfy your sweet cravings while keeping your calorie intake in check. This makes it easier to stick to a balanced diet and support your weight loss goals. Additionally, healthy snacking is crucial for maintaining energy levels and preventing overeating at mealtimes. By choosing watermelon as a nutritious snack option, you can enjoy its refreshing taste while practicing portion control. So next time you're looking for a light snack, reach for watermelon and let it help you on your path to a healthier lifestyle. Watermelon is not only delicious, but also offers impressive benefits for cardiovascular health. One of its key components, lycopene, is a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, and also contributing to a healthier heart. Additionally, watermelon is rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining proper heart function by helping to regulate blood pressure and balance fluids in the body. Studies have indicated that regular consumption of watermelon can also lead to improved heart function and overall cardiovascular health. By incorporating this refreshing fruit into your diet, you can enjoy its sweet taste while supporting your heart. So whether you're enjoying it in a salad or as a snack, always remember that watermelon is a heart-friendly choice that can help keep your cardiovascular system in top shape. Watermelon is not only a tasty treat, but also a great ally for your digestive health. While it may not be the highest in fiber compared to other fruits, watermelon still contains a modest amount that can aid digestion and help prevent constipation. The combination of its fiber content and high water volume promotes regular bowel movements and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Staying hydrated is equally important for digestion, as water helps break down food and absorb nutrients effectively. By incorporating watermelon into your diet, understand that you're not only enjoying a refreshing snack, but also supporting your body's hydration needs. A fiber-rich diet is essential for overall gut health, and watermelon can be a delicious part of that equation. So, indulge in this juicy fruit and give your digestive system the boost it deserves. Watermelon is a fantastic fruit for enhancing your skin health, thanks to its impressive hydrating properties. With its high water content, Watermelon helps keep your skin moisturized, giving it a plump and radiant appearance. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining skin elasticity and preventing dryness. Additionally, watermelon is rich in antioxidants, particularly lycopene, which can combat the signs of skin aging by protecting against free radical damage. This means fewer wrinkles and a more youthful glow. The vitamins A and C found in watermelon also play crucial roles in skin repair and health. Vitamin A promotes cell turnover, while vitamin C aids in collagen production, essential for maintaining skin firmness. By incorporating watermelon into your diet, you can enjoy its delicious taste while reaping the benefits for your skin, making it a perfect addition to your beauty routine. In today's video, we explored the numerous health benefits of eating watermelon daily. From its impressive hydration properties to its rich nutrient profile, watermelon is a powerhouse fruit that supports overall health. We discussed how its antioxidants can promote heart health, lower cholesterol, and reduce blood pressure, making it a heart-friendly choice. Additionally, the vitamins and hydration from watermelon contribute to glowing skin and improved digestive health. We encourage you to incorporate this delicious fruit into your diet for a refreshing and nutritious boost. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out our related content for more tips on healthy eating and lifestyle choices. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health with every juicy bite of watermelon.